Alright, so Costco had this Autospa Suds-N-Spray system on rebate, so I couldn't pass it up. Usually, actual foam cannons require a pressure washer. However, this one just connects up to a regular garden hose, so it'll be more relevant to more people. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's the gun itself. It's very lightweight and made of hard plastic, very plasticky feeling. Looks like there is a lock-unlock lever, so to remove the bottle, put it in the unlock position, twist, and remove, and reinsert, twist, flick the lever to lock it back into place. One thing that I did notice was the soap line right here. I don't know if we could make it out, but it's right here. Seems rather high, so I may put in a little bit less since my car wash is concentrated. And here's the microfiber mitt. It's kind of got a nice hand attachment. That said, you know what? You could kind of feel a bit of an edge of the frame itself underneath the microfiber material. I may just end up using my old microfiber mitt to wash cars. Alright, so here's the second attachment. It's a plunge and scrub wheel brush. The bristles are a little rough, little stiff for my liking, so I'll probably use these for the steel wheels, but for the wheels with a more delicate finish, I'll probably use something else. And for completeness, looks like when you're using this second brush, the bottle is not used. And I'm going to use the Turtle Wax Hyper Foam Wash and Wax. I'm going to start off with 2 ounces, which is a 1/4 cup. And I'm going to use low pressure water to fill it up to the water line up here. Okay, 2 ounces of the wash and wax has been added along with the appropriate amount of water. I do want to add that the soap itself has a nice pina colada kind of smell to it, and it's also got a decent amount of lubricity. Okay, let's give it a go. Alright, so this definitely isn't a replacement for a real foam cannon, but the foam is a lot less dense. That said, you know, it creates a decent amount of suds to assist with softening and lifting the dirt off the contaminants off the paint. Alright, if you like what you see, please consider clicking like and becoming a subscriber. Thank you.